Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 14 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today, we're going to be doing exercise number 18, and we're going to be expanding our scale all the way to the 12th.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
Again, on this exercise, Marchesi does notate 16th notes, so it's okay to take a little bit brisker of a tempo, but just be sure that you're not skipping parts of the voice or parts of the registration, that you really are singing every single pitch. That is important. As we get into these range expanding exercises, it is important to notice where you're starting. Marchesi does notate that we're going to start lower on a B natural in this one than we have been in the other two, which is C. So I do think she intends to tell us that we're not supposed to start in a stratospheric part of our range. So just keep in mind as you're doing these exercises that where she does notate, she does have a method to her madness. But at the same time, feel within that you can play with the starting pitches as well and find where it feels most comfortable in your voice. Here we go. And we'll see you tomorrow.